Hello angels, so we're at the thrift store. Here I just showed that Hannah Montana like alarm speaker situation. It was my second time seeing it at the thrift store. I wanted to buy it. I ended up not getting it because it took up a lot of space. Now I'm at the summer dresses and I actually looked through every dress on this rack. I feel like lately I've been finding really cute summer dresses. I don't know if no one's checking out those aisles or what, because I'll look through other ones and there will be like, let's say nothing in the tops, or there'll be like a few cute tops. Then I go to the dresses and there's just so many beautiful dresses. So yeah, I don't know what's up with that. It might be that they're on the pricier side. For some reason, the lowest price dress is set at $10, which I don't think is valid for a thrift store that gets free donations. But we know they're greedy. We've been over this. I found this bathing suit top right here, Victoria's Secret pink. I'm so excited for summer. You guys already know. I'm preparing. But yeah, that's the only cute bathing suit I found. But I did kind of skim through. I didn't look too in detail in this aisle. I was mainly looking for dresses and cute tops today. Here I'm looking at the top section. Look at this shirt. Oh my god, this is one of my favorite pieces I thrifted. I've been finding a good amount of candy couture items recently. And then I was looking through the houseware section a little bit. But I feel like for a good while... Oh, Coach bag. Did not get that. It wasn't really my vibe. I don't know. I didn't like that one too much. And then this little Monster High bucket. But yeah, I love the houseware section. But for a good while, I was only buying houseware stuff. So I had to take a pause on that. But anyways, I found almost every season of Buffy. You guys just saw that. Almost every season they had each one but season 6, and I kept looking and it just wasn't there. Anyways, now the cart is looking full. Here are some pieces, and then I started looking through everything I found. I started organizing. Here is this beautiful dress I'm so obsessed with, and then this Guess dress. It's like this pretty floral print and I like the colors. Guys, I've been back from the thrift store for a good few hours. I look a little like not I don't know, I look a little ghostly. I look tired. I'm not feeling great. I had to take a Tylenol. My neck was hurting me. I get like neck and back pain and it just like happens randomly, and then it's like really bad unless I take Tylenol. But I need to show you guys this haul. At the thrift store, I was like so focused. I was in the zone. I could not process what was going on. I was just like, I'm so bad at vlogging at the thrift store. So you guys probably got nothing out of that. So my bad. We're gonna start off so strong, you guys. So this is a dress that I've wanted. Like in my head, I've envisioned this for a long time now. Like basically I've envisioned wanting this in my closet for like a year, and I found it. And I feel like, I mean, it's not like it's a wow for everyone. It's like it's a universal thing where everyone would love this, but I just like wanted a plaid dress. Was kind of neckline, and it's purple, and I love purple, so I really hope this fits me. Yay, 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 yay! Oh my god, it's so pretty. I mean, the only thing is that it goes to like almost my ankles. I like mini dresses, mini skirts, so I'd like it to end at about like right there. But for like this dress, this is pretty cute. Next we got this jacket. It's got the tags on still and everything. I didn't even try this jacket on in the store, to be honest. I was like, oh, she's a little tight, honestly, around the arms. But yeah, I didn't try anything on in the store. I was just not up to doing that today. Oh my god. This is not gonna fit. Should have tried this on earlier. Oh. Oh my god. Is this what the neckline is supposed to be doing? Hold up. No, it's gotta be. Or not. Hold up. Before trying it on, I was like, I just thought it would look really different. Maybe I'm supposed to do this. I don't know. I can barely move my arms though. Oh my god, I think this jacket might have to go. It does not fit me. Let's try on this next dress. It's a Seductions one. This fits. It looks pretty flattering. I mean, it's very long. It's like trailing a little bit. I'm not going to be showing you guys the bottom. But like, look at the back too. Like, I really like how low this back is. And I really like how it looks up here. It's really flattering. I mean, I could just make it a little bit shorter. I can just do that on my own. Right now, it touches the ground and goes like that a little bit. This is not entirely gonna be a try on haul. I'm gonna try pieces at random. These ones, I don't think I'm gonna try. They look a little too big. But they're these turtleneck jeans. Then we have a few little tank tops. We have this lacy one, plain white one. Ooh, I like these for layering. This top is so pretty. The fabric looks so luxurious. My only issue with it is the color. This is so not a color I like to wear, and honestly, like, just holding this in front of me, I can see why. I think this color doesn't suit me at all. I think it's also my skin right now. I look so pale and I'm tired and it's been a long day and I feel like it's showing on my face. But still, I feel like you can just tell that this color is not my color. But I just don't love blue. I don't enjoy it. But if this was any other color, I would be extremely obsessed with it. I don't know what it is. It's like such a simple top, but it is so nice. Lace cami. This is not flattering on me. It's a little big right there. It's a little loose. It's still cute though. I don't know if it's meant to fit like this, but it's definitely not the most flattering. There could be a workaround here. I think we could cinch it up with a little belt. You guys, I found these gorgeous jeans. I think I showed you guys a clip of these at the store. Look at the back. We're gonna try these on with one of the tank tops right now. The jeans fit really well. They're low-waisted. I mean, they're like slightly baggy right there, but I'm pretty used to that. I don't mind having a little breathing room right here. And then they end at my ankles, which is great because a lot of the times jeans are really long on me. And then this shirt, I don't like this color on me. Oh my god, I'm telling you guys, it's the one color I don't like on me. And just a color I don't like in general. Like, I would rank every color above blue. Like, I like blue combined with other colors. It's pretty to look at, but then, like, if I'm gonna do a color combo, blue is rarely one I like. But then the thing is, I wear denim, and, you know, like, denim a lot of times is blue, and that's fine. That's my exception. But then everything else, you know what I mean? I'm like iffy about this. Looks really good though. Every time I'm up here in your guys' face, I'm looking at my mirror right there. So that's what's up with that. But oh wait, oh my god, the back of the jeans. The back of the jeans. I was almost not gonna show you guys that. Can you believe that? Can you believe we don't got a jacuzzi? These jeans are so fabulous. Oh my god, they might be my new favorite pair, to be honest. Okay, next shirt. So this shirt should be worn with a bra, but here she is. Okay, next. This tank top really feels like the long Hollister ones. I feel like they have one in this exact color, and just the slight difference between the lace and the fabric also reminds me of like the Hollister tank tops. I feel like I've seen one exactly like this, and it's just got their little logo right there, their little mascot, you know? So I don't know if that's just me. Okay, next we got this, which I don't even know what this is about to look like on. This shirt I got to upcycle. It's got really cool detailing. Then we have this little Licenza top. I love the detailing of the ribbon that goes through there. I thrifted a top yesterday that does that too, and I really like it. Then we got another blue tank top. Not my color again, but it's really cute, and I like the lace. Got these denim shorts, black lace tank. I like these for layering under tank tops, like other tank tops, or over. And we have this really pretty dress. I'm a little bit curious to see what it's gonna look like on, because it's got some interesting details. Like, I don't know what's going on with this. Oh my god, this shirt is stunning. So it's a candy couture, and it's just beautiful. It reminds me of my childhood. I love this plaid outline right here, and then that little heart with the rhinestones. It's so cute. Little ruffles. Oh my god. I hope this fits. It's labeled as a small, I think. Oh, it's labeled as a medium. So, we'll see. I think I'm gonna try this on, and then we might try this dress. I ended up doing it the other way around. We're doing this dress and then the shirt. This part's confusing me. Like, what is that? Do you see that? Is that supposed to be like this? Or is that another part of the dress? I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. This is like not flattering on me. The back might look kind of cool. I can't really see it. So whenever I'm editing this, I'll see it. Oh my god, I really can't see the back, but here it is for you guys to see. I don't know about this. I mean, you know what? I think if I had a bunch of jewelry here, maybe did some cinching with a bell, maybe it could look pretty cool. But I think just like this, it looks a little insane. I think it needs to be styled. Oh my god, this top is so precious. Look at her. Oh my god, I'm happy it fits. It's obviously slightly loose, but it's okay. I think the straps, yeah, they're adjustable, so I could just make it sit a little more up. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is probably one of my favorite clothing items. This, I think, in the plaid dress. My favorites. I really love these jeans too, though. The three, like those three items, they're gonna have to be staples now in my closet. Now, we have two more jeans, and then I have like visco media and stuff. The back is so cool with the crowns. Capris. Okay, now I have to show you guys the trinkets and like visco media and all that. So there isn't much left. First, I have to show you guys this adorable magazine. So I'm pretty sure it's Canadian. Like, it is Canadian from like what I saw, and it's really cool. Like, what I'm probably gonna do is a video of us going through the magazine together. But look at this little comic strip. Yeah, I mean, I already was feeling like, wow, everything is really bland right now. Not to be that annoying hoe that's like overly nostalgic, but everything is really freaking plain right now. And I don't know, I just feel like greed is killing pretty much every industry. Look at this game of the month section. They also have a DVD of the month section and a book of the month, and it's so cute. But look at that. Yeah, me looking through this magazine, I'm like, oh my god, look at how small this magazine is. There is so much going on in here. First of all, I mean, the only whites you're gonna see is people's eyes, the whites of their eyes in this magazine. Like, there's like basically no white apart from that. There's colors everywhere. Look at how much the subscription was back then. Oh my god, like $30 for 1 year of subscriptions. Oh, sign me up. Oh my god, I would sign up for that in a heartbeat. But yeah, like all these colors, like the layout is so cool. And there's just so much content, and I feel like a lot of the times now I'm opening magazines and they got nothing. They'll have one big picture, or just like an ad, and they'll have the tiniest little text, and they'll have like basically nothing. And then when they have text, it's just the most boring font and like an all white background and nothing really that interesting. This is pretty cool. I have to look into what this section is. It kind of looked like it could have been a short story, but I think I'm wrong about that. I think I have to read through. I'm so excited to read through this magazine. And then I saw that they had Angel as one of the DVDs of the month, and I'm in the middle of watching Angel right now. I'm finishing season 1, I think. I was watching Buffy, and then I got to season 4 when you're to start watching Angel, so that's what I'm doing. And we're gonna get to Buffy because I got a Buffy related thing I want to show you guys at the thrift store today. But yeah, just more DVDs of the month, books of the month. Net Now, which I guess it's people's personal websites, and they're all so cute. I'm assuming it's people's personal websites. And oh my god, and then all these cartoons. Oh my god, Totally Spies. So good. Oh my god, this is like, you can tell it's like season 1 Totally Spies too, by the like style of the animation. And then the Jetsons, this was like a cartoon I loved when I was a child, and whenever I want to like rewatch it now, I feel like it's kind of hard to find. Like, I don't find it on YouTube, and I mean, you know how a lot of cartoons are on YouTube, and I don't find the Jetsons on there, but I really enjoyed it, and I really liked like the futurism, how it was in that cartoon. But we got Ashley Simpson autobiography. Oh my god, Mean Girl quiz, so cool. And then you can check your horoscope and see who your rock star of the month is. Mine's Bow Wow, so let's go. And then they got a little crossword puzzle. Oh, it's just so cute. And then the reader's art, I guess, is on there. This magazine is so cute, you guys. And this is the September 2004 issue. So if you guys would want to do a little read through with me where we kind of browse the magazine together, let me know. By the time I upload this, I might have just browsed the whole thing, done all the quizzes already. We'll see. I'll try to push it back. I want to see if you guys want this video. But at the same time, what are the odds that this snippet of the video, that many people will watch it, that they will comment that they want to see it? You know what I mean? So by that point, maybe I'll just film it and assume and hope that you guys would want to watch that video. I got this little Monster High bucket. I'm really excited to use this as a pencil holder, pencil, pen, lip liners, lipstick holder, basically all that, because I have a little cup over there and it's overflowing. So this is going to be really useful. So a little backstory. So I've been actively watching Buffy, and in the past I had seen like a little bit of the first episode, and it was basically this thing where when I was a kid I was picking between Vampire Diaries and Buffy, and so I watched Vampire Diaries. So I didn't get to Buffy for the longest time, and here and there I like would start watching it, but then I would kind of have it in the background, not pay attention, forget about it, whatever. It happened a few times. Now I actively watch the show, and I've just been loving it, and I want it all on DVD so I can watch it that way. So it's easier and more convenient for me. So I had found season 1, but then I wasn't really finding the other seasons. But then I was finding Angel. Like I was finding a few Angel seasons. But then I found season 1 of Buffy, season 2, season 3, season 4, season 5, not season 6, but season 7. So every season except for season 6 on DVD. Hell yes. Let me know what your favorite item of the haul is. Maybe like how you would style some of these pieces. Thanks for watching, angels, and make sure to leave some glitter everywhere you go. Mwah.